Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to share an Instagram highlight on Android. If you're someone who uses Instagram's highlight feature frequently, then you might want to share a highlight with your friends or followers. In this video, we'll show you how to do that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner to access your profile options menu. From there, tap and hold on the highlight that you want to share. Select Share To from the menu that appears. This will take you to the Highlights section of your profile located below your bio. In this section, you'll see various options for sharing your highlight. You can share it to your story, send it to specific people, or share it on other social media platforms. To share your highlight to your story, simply select the Add to Story option. This will create a new story post featuring your highlight. To share your highlight with specific people, select the Send To option. From there, you can select the people you want to share the highlight with. To share your highlight on other social media platforms, select the Copy Link option. This will copy the link to your highlight, which you can then share on other platforms. Sharing highlights is a great way to showcase your best content and engage with your followers. It can also help you promote your business or personal brand on Instagram. In summary, sharing an Instagram highlight on Android is a quick and easy process. By following the simple steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily share your highlights with your friends, followers, and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.